Hi friends, I hope all of you are doing very well. Today topic was how to learn tenses. If you by first if you no, if you want to learn tenses, first by have to the 12 sentence rules syntaxes, 12 sentence syntaxes. Then after you know the implemented rules of that 12 sentence, where to use that sentence in your daily life or where to use is in this sentence in when writing is story. This type of activities you can do, you will get the full knowledge on the tense uses. First of all, you suppose if you if you want if you know the simple present tense rule syntax rules, then now then after you know the then after you want to know the you want to know the implemented rules of simple present tense. Where do you use this simple present in your daily life? Suppose you in simple present is used in 11 to 11 situations. Regular habits, advices, schedule times, narratives, running commentary, force running commentary. This type of situations you use the simple present. Then after you know the present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used in the just present present continuous tenses. Just your front of your eye doing actions, you can use this is continuous tense. So and also featured phalanx. Suppose your suppose yesterday tomorrow your uncle planned tomorrow your uncle is planning to go the Europe. This type of planned actions you can use with simple present continuous tense. Then in this type of this type you can this type of you can use the present perfect in present perfect also you can know syntaxes. Present perfect syntax is subject plus has or have plus v3 v3 verb. This syntax you know. Then after you can use the implementing rules. You can use simple present perfect in just no completed actions. Just no completed actions because that means just no completed. Ramu has eaten mangoes when I come when I coming to here. This type of just completed nouns and past habits without specifying time. Suppose yesterday you did not mention the time. Yesterday one action is done and we cannot specify time at a particular time or yesterday. This type of time you did not use, you can use the simple present perfect. That means I I play I am I have played cricket. I have played cricket. I have played cricket. This type of sentence you use in you can use with the simple for present perfect. Then after present forward continuous. Present forward continuous means one action is start in past and connect with future, connect with present, connect not future, connect with present. This type of activities you can do. You can this way you can learn the you can learn English sentence. You did not forget, and you can daily use this sentence and write stories. Storytelling is in the past tense. But also yesterday habits are present. We can write the yesterday what actions we are did this type of activity. Write in a notes or type in a chat GPT. Type in chat GPT and ask the type in chat GPT and send the ask chat GPT where you did the mistakes. This type of activities you can do. Your English can definitely increase. English learning English is consistent. We want to learn English. Consistent is most important. Daily know the sentence and daily read the books or write the any stories any your daily or any watch the movies daily consistently. You will get the better improvements in English learning. Okay friends, I hope this content is like you. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. For more better I will get the better motivation for one like I will